Next several days, guys. It's going to be hot. Matter of fact, by the end of the week, we're looking at highs well above average, near 102 to 103 by Thursday and Friday. Meantime, rainfall. Last several weeks have been beneficial. 19.46 inches of rain in the gauge, which is actually pretty close to last year's 12-month rain total. So we're almost on set to surpass last year's annual rainfall, probably in the next few weeks, depending on what kind of pattern sets up. I think by the next 7 days, though, it's going to be extremely hot. A chance for rain tonight. It's mostly scattered activity and primarily across the hill country towards southeast Texas, south of Gonzales, where they got a pretty good downpour earlier this afternoon. Now passing into Victoria and Cuero, San Antonio, in between both systems. We'll start in the hill country right now. You can see as we zoom in to, let's say, Kerr County, south of Junction, pretty good downpours. As a matter of fact, a large thunderstorm now moving into Rock Springs, generating a ton of lightning between there. Camp Wood, a couple of isolated downpours east of the city. Kerrville heads up if you're watching from Kerrville and southeast Kerr County. Between there and Comfort, a couple of downpours moving in your direction, about to cross I-10. This is all moving in from the north and pushing farther south. Now, a couple of downpours south of the city, now moving towards Poteet. I think it'll miss Poteet just to the east. And mainly light activity in eastern San Antonio. Large thunderstorm complex passing through Cuero, generating again a lot of lightning, non-severe, but these downpours could produce 2 to 3 inches of rain in a short amount of time. We'll show you the forecast guidance on what to expect tonight for San Antonio. Speaking of, it is partly cloudy. Temperature-wise, we're sitting in the upper 90s. It is extremely hot. 99 degrees. That is our preliminary high for the day. Not at 100 yet, but that's where we're at right now, feeling more like 104, where the rain and cloud cover is moving through. A lot cooler, about a 20-degree swing between here and Gonzales. They're at 79, 91 at Hallettsville, 100 at Hondo, 102 at Eagle Pass. There will be continuing rain chances at least through the next several hours as we remain in the prime heating of the day. By 9-10 p.m., a couple of isolated showers around the region. Not everywhere, but the chance is there. Tomorrow morning, we're clear. Lows bottoming out in the middle to upper 70s. For your Monday, a high near 98. Going to be a clear and hot day, with the possibility at seeing a stray shower around 4 and 5 o'clock tomorrow, but not as impressive as how the radar looks right now. High pressure moves a little bit farther to the east towards us by the end of the week, and look what it does to our temperatures. 101 Wednesday, 102 Thursday, 103 towards next weekend. And right now it's just going to be the heat in our forecast for San Antonio. Meantime, on the other side of the Gulf of Mexico, Tropical Storm Debbie, winds at 65 miles an hour. It's closing in on Category 1 hurricane status. A lot of rainfall for Tampa Bay and the entire Florida peninsula. It'll move farther northeast as a Cat 1 and bring a lot of rainfall, over a foot of rain in some spots in northern Florida and parts of the Carolinas. Our forecast here in San Antonio tomorrow at 98, 10% chance at rain we see in the afternoon hours, but overall, by and large, the rain chance really backs off. 99 Tuesday, and here comes the dangerous heat. Weather impact alert days for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So right now, Phil, we're losing on the rain, and it looks like the heat's going to take over by the middle of the week. 102, way too hot for August.
Yeah.